everyone, welcome back to the channel Car Look. Today, introducing the 2025 Yamaha NMAX 155 Turbo, a scooter that takes urban commuting to a whole new level. Yamaha has equipped this latest NMAX with a turbocharged 155cc liquid-cooled engine, delivering a significant power boost to 22 horsepower. This added power doesn't just enhance speed, it transforms the entire riding experience, offering quicker acceleration and the ability to tackle hills and highways with ease. Yet, despite the added performance, the NMAX remains fuel efficient thanks to Yamaha's Blue Core technology, which optimizes fuel consumption without sacrificing the thrill of the ride. As the rider revs the engine, the deep, throaty exhaust note hints at the power within. The turbocharger is seamlessly integrated, delivering smooth and consistent power throughout the RPM range, making the NMAX 155 Turbo not only a powerhouse in the city, but also a capable companion on longer journeys. The variable valve actuation VVA system ensures that whether you're cruising at low speeds or pushing the limits on the open road, the engine delivers exactly what you need. On the road, the NMAX 155 Turbo showcases its versatility. The advanced suspension system is designed to absorb the bumps and irregularities of urban streets, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The 13-inch wheels with tubeless tires offer excellent grip, stability, and confidence, whether you're maneuvering through traffic or enjoying a leisurely ride along the coast. Safety is paramount, and Yamaha has equipped the NMAX with dual-channel ABS, ensuring precise braking and control in all conditions. In terms of design, the 2025 NMAX 155 Turbo is as stylish as it is functional. The aerodynamic bodywork is complemented by all LED lighting, which not only enhances visibility but also adds a modern, premium look. The spacious under-seat storage is practical, easily accommodating a full-face helmet and more, making it perfect for daily commutes and errands. The full-color TFT display offers all the information you need at a glance, and with smartphone connectivity, you can stay connected while on the go, receiving notifications and accessing navigation. As the rider speeds off, the NMAX 155 Turbo leaves an impression of power, style, and sophistication. Yamaha has truly redefined what a scooter can be, making the 2025 NMAX 155 Turbo the ultimate choice for those who demand more from their ride. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.